I need to work on being more social. Naturally, I'm very shy, so I don't go out that much, which also means I don't have that much friends. But today, that all changes. I called up a few of my friends. There's this bonfire type of thing that's going on in San Francisco, and we're gonna go. Woo! But before that, I have to go wrap up my knee because I messed up my knee squatting 600 pounds, you know. Sometimes it sucks, sometimes it happens.
Oh, damn. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Yo. Oh, this thing is like brand new. Ding, ding, ding. Watch this. Woo! Let's get dressed. Apparently the theme is an aloha, or like a Hawaiian tourist kind of thing. So they really expected me to show up as myself? But for real though, my sister's in San Francisco and she says it's hella cold. Hey Siri, what's the weather like in San Francisco?
It's currently partly cloudy and 70 degrees in San Francisco, California.
By the time we get there, it's gonna be 68, 65 degrees. So it's about time I pull out my jacket that I have never worn. Look at this. I'll pull up with one of these. Hey, what's up? What's up? You guys like my tattoos? Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. This is what I got right here. It's a regular pair of jeans. I think I'm still gonna wear this tank top just cause. What if it gets hot? It's a bonfire. Uno, dos, tres, go. Okay. This is a fire fit! This fit is... What's up, Dad?
Oh, you rock it out.
What y'all think? This fire, right? I'm gonna pull up like this. Let me know in the comments if you guys know any electric shavers that are good, because I want an electric shaver. I heard it's really good for you. My friends are gonna be here in like 10 minutes. I'm not ready. Okay, I got a fresh shave. Got a face wash, because if you don't, you'll get hella acne. I think you're supposed to wash your face after you shave. Guys, if you're not doing these few things before you go out, you are ruining your first impressions. First thing I gotta say is you gotta wear deodorant. If you're not wearing deodorant already, you're nasty. You have to brush your teeth. The worst thing anybody can ever tell you is that your breath stinks or you stink. Another thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna wear sunscreen. And I know sunscreen sucks and it feels a little gross and icky on your face, but you're gonna wanna wear it. Because honestly, you don't want your face looking like mine. I have a ton of acne scars on my face because I didn't take care of my face growing up. You're gonna wanna wear sunscreen. And then the last final thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna wear cologne. I just started wearing cologne recently. I bought this Versace, I don't even know what it is, but I got it at Ross for like 40 bucks. And this thing smells really good. I got a few compliments on this thing actually. I don't really know how to put cologne on, but I saw a video about it where you just kind of squirt it on your wrist. Oh shit, I missed. Like 2 squirts on the wrist, and then you tap your wrists together. One on my neck. Oh, frick! Oh, it burns because I just shaved. And then another one on your chest. We're set. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to bounce. Get cologne. If you're not wearing cologne already, I'm gonna need y'all to step it up because you're behind. Why is this a get ready with me? Okay, so I changed my outfit a little bit. This is it. This is my outfit. Alright, it's good. Alright, so my friends are outside. They're gonna be a little bit mad that I'm inside just filming an intro while they're waiting outside in the hot freaking sun. So, I gotta bounce. This is not as cool as I thought it would be. I low-key thought it was just gonna be one big ass fire, but it's just a bunch of small ones. If you guys just want to do something else,
I love the way you pop your top and how you lose your cool and how you look at me too. Say why? Ain't no fighting. No, I can't stop it. This took a while. For the way you pump your fist, how you bust your hip.